Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark, and I'm going to show you how to use this self-checking Google Sheets activity so students can practice rounding using place value and also using a number line and benchmarks. So first of all, here's how it looks when they open it. There's all these tabs at the bottom. There's 30 questions and they get harder as you go. There's pink boxes. The students are going to click and put in their answer. They just click and type. On an iPad, double tap and then type and then click away. If it turns green, it's correct. And if it turns gray, it's incorrect. So then they can self-correct and they get that immediate feedback, which will keep them focused and motivated. So when they finish all of them, the whole thing is done. A sticker will pop up like this to show them that they're finished with that tab. So there are 30 tabs here. You can assign this as one spreadsheet in Google Classroom or Google Drive or another learning platform. Or if you want to just assign smaller chunks, I made those for you. So you have your master spreadsheet that we were just looking at, answer key, and then you also have 3 smaller assignments here. If you just want to assign questions 1 through 10, 11 through 20, or 21 through 30, smaller chunks to make it more manageable. Also good for differentiation since these ones are the hardest ones. So let's go through and solve one. What's really cool about this is it really makes the kids go through the different phases. They have to say what digit is in the hundreds place, what the digit to the right is, because this digit determines whether you round up or down. We all know like 5 or more make it soar, but they need to understand why. So that's where the number line comes in. They're going to be given the 2 benchmarks on the bottom and the top. And then this says count up by tens on the number line. So they're going to really be learning how to get, from 30,100 to 30,200. You're counting by tens. And that's why that power number, the digit to the right in the tens place, is so important, because that's what actually places this number on the number line. And then this is here so they can see it's below the halfway point. So they would answer these other questions. You're either rounding down to 30,100 or up to 30,200. The halfway point is 30,150. Are you rounding up or down? Down. And if they get it incorrect, it'll turn gray. So that kind of really helps check them at every single place. And then they would put in their final answer and the sticker would pop up. So I hope that you have fun practicing rounding. Students, I really found that it really helps to get this conceptual understanding with the number line, as well as doing using the digits just to help you as well. So let me know if you have questions, and I hope this is fun for you and your students.